Hello guys, welcome back to Codeaamy. What a lovely time of the year it is. It is Christmas and I can hear Christmas carols all around me. On Christmas, Santa has a huge task of handing out gifts to children who are behaving good throughout the year. In this decade, we thought of creating an application for Santa which will help him to keep a track of the kids who have been good throughout the year. So let's get started. So guys, let's get started. Okay, so now what I have done, I am going to start a new Flutter project over here. So new Flutter project. Okay, just let me take on this screen, Flutter. Next, I am going to give this a Santa app. Okay, Santa app over here. I am going to keep my location on desktop, description. And application to help Santa Claus, and over here organization I'm going to write my company name. This is reverse domain over here. Everything should be okay. Swift, I just want it for Android, iOS, no macOS. Swift, Kotlin, finish. Everything should be small over here. Finish. So now it is creating a Flutter project. Okay guys, so now in this lib folder, this is the main.dart. So now main.dart has our Flutter template project over here present. So whenever we create a Flutter project, the template project is already present. Okay guys, so our application has been loaded. Our simulator also has been loaded. So this is the Flutter template that we get whenever we create a Flutter application. Just let me play this application. It will just be a basic counter application where when we click on the button, the number increases one by one. So I'm just playing this application so you know that there is no code before. Xcode build done. This is our Flutter application, the basic template Flutter app. Okay, this is how it works. So now I'm going to remove everything. So Command A. Now we are going to I have deleted everything. Now let's create our void main function. So void main, and in this function we are going to, this is void main function. So void main function is the starting point of our application. Everything that we create is inside our void main function. If you have some doubt, you can watch my previous video in which I have explained about void function and the widgets and the basics of Flutter. So I'm not going to spend my time in this. We are going to create a stateless widget over here with this boilerplate shortcut. Santa app. I'm going to import materials.dart over here on top, and I'm going to call a function called as run app, which will take an app widget called as Santa app, which we created over here on the bottom. Okay, now this container should take as a material widget because we are creating a material app, and I'm going to give home. Now let's create the home file that we need. So this will be a Dart file, and I'm going to write home screen. This will be a stateful widget, and I'm going to write home screen over here, Let me import material again, and this would take a scaffold. We already know what scaffold is and how scaffold works. We already know what home screen over here means. Home screen means the starting point of our application. Okay, this will be the home screen. Okay, this will be our home screen. Now this, it prefers const over here. This should be const. This is the new linting for Flutter. Okay, home screen, and this is our application. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to give a text in body. Center will be a child, will be text. Which will just be a Santa app. Okay, return cost scaffold, and the body will be center text. Now let's play this app so that we'll come to know. I have paused and I'm playing it again. Okay, application has been built. You can see Xcode build done, Santa app. So now whatever you feel right over here, we can command S and we can see it is changing. So this is our live app. Let me again create it too. Santa app, command S. Okay, this is our application. Oh my god, did you hear it? Can you hear that? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Let me check. Let me check. What is this guy doing? Oh, creating a Santa app for me. Using this Bohr mic, which cause lots of echo. Hello, hello. Let me give this boy something that he can use. Using old mics. Ho ho ho. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Let me help this boy in developing this application. So when he will be back, it would be a beneficial time for him and he can enjoy the Christmas. So now let me transfer my children's data list towards him. That data list is in JSON format that we are going to see. So he has created a Santa app over here, and this is the children data JSON, which I'm going to open it normally. We are going to copy. I have copied this file, and we are going to create a new file over here. Everything is small. Children data. Var children data is equal to this data. So all this data is in children format. All this data is in JSON format. So this is the children data that we have. I will give this file below in my description down there, and you can download this children's data from here or from GitHub, where I will mention the complete project of this application. Now what I need, as in Santa, what Santa needs is a list of all the students, and this boy has also created uh, behavioral classification. So let me create a folder calling as images, where I think I would have to paste all the images over there. So the images go over there. Oh my god. And then these images will be used in the application. So let us go into our pubspec.yaml file and open or assign images into our project. Check out the indentation. It should be 2 and 4. If you don't know how to include images in our project, watch Codeamy's previous videos. I think this boy has already taught you. If not, he will. Good boy. And 1, 2, 3, 4. So remember 2 and 4. 2, 4. 2, 4. These many gifts I give to children. Okay. And after this we are going to run pub get over here. Okay, everything is done. I'm going to pause my app, his app, and in home screen I think this is visible. I have specs being old. Okay, this over here. Now let's come back to home screen, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to check if my images are working. So I'm going to create image.asset, and string will be images slash devil.png. Let us check before images angel devil devil.png. Okay, so let us check if this image is working. So the code is image dot asset. Over here it would be images slash devil.png. Okay, images.asset devils images.png, and let me just play and check if this image is working. So we will know if our project is compiling very nicely or if we have some problems. Okay, the images are loading ekdam perfectly. The images are loading very nicely. So let's create our application. So in this scaffold, instead of scaffold body, I am going to use a list view dot builder, and we are going to build the list. Okay, over here, and in the builder first we are going to need item count, and that item count will be children data dot length. Okay, this will be the item count. After that, item builder will be build context index, and okay, and we are going to return a card over here right now to check if our application is working or if the application is not working. And that card will have a child which will take text, and that text would be children data. Here will be index, and here will be first name. To string. Now let us check if this is working. Okay, we're getting null everywhere. Let us check our children's data. Okay. So this is our key. The key is first name. Sorry, my bad. First name. Okay. So we got the list of all the childrens out there. And now let us create our application. So what all we have in the data. So now our children's data is complete in a workable stage. So let me explain what all we have in the data. First of all, we have ID, we have first name, okay, then we have last name, we have gender, if is it a boy or a girl, then we have age of the children, age of the child, then their address, because I have to deliver a gift there. So latitude, longitude, we can open that in Google Map, and then we have their avatar over there present, and behavior. So these are the things that we have. So now let us create, we'll need a new dependency. So I'm going to on pub.dev and I'm going to check cache network images. To cache the network images of their avatar, I'm going to copy this. I'm going to come in pubspec.yaml and I'm going to under qport in my course, I'm going to paste it over here and get pub.get. I'm going to come to my home screen again, and then now let us create a nice card column. Okay, so this card will return, it will hold child as a row. Okay, this will take row, the card will take child as a row, and then we are going to take this row will have at the first it will have an image, then it will have column which will denote the name and everything, and at the right side there will be one more image which will tell us the behavior. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to create a children which will take cached network images, and the image URL will be children data index, and over here it will have avatar. Again, let us check if it is avatar or what is written. Okay, AV8 here, avatar is written. Okay, nice. Avatar dot to string over here. This is there. Let us give some height. So I will give height as 75. Width will be 75, and I want this image to be circular, so I'm going to wrap this widget within a clip r rect, and I'm going to give border radius dot all radius dot circular, and the let's do one thing, let us make this 80 so it will be easy for you to calculate, also for me, and I want to give the radius of 40, pressing command S. By the time this is getting done, let us in this row let us create a okay, so these are the avatars of the children that I have to give. Let me wrap that with padding, and let me wrap this in a container, and I will give this container color dot gray. So we will get a nice gray circle for each and every avatar instead of it being white. Okay, but it is Christmas, so let's start with red. I love red color. Okay, and now we have to add names. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a column over here, this row, and after this clip.rect padding, I'm going to come down, and over here I'm going to create a column, and this column will have children. Children will be a row, or no, will be text. This text will be children data, index, first name, and what I'll do is I will cut this, and I'm going to use string interpolation over here. So this is one done, and I'm going to give some space. I'm going to copy it again, and last name. I'm going to just copy this everything from here and paste it over here. I'm going to hit Command S right now, and we're going to get names of all the children that we have, first name and last name. Then after this I'm going to take their age, so text, and over here it would be again string interpolation. Okay, and then over here I'm going to take children data, index, gender first, so that even the Santa will come to know what it is, and this should be in string. But I'm going to do Control X, main axis alignment, cross axis alignment, cross axis alignment dot start, Command S, everything came at the start. See, cross axis alignment means for a column the cross axis alignment means perpendicular to the main axis, that is perpendicular to parallel axis, horizontal. Okay, so this will be horizontal over here, and after this is done, I'm going to take their age also, so I'm going to copy this as well over here, Command C, and over here it will be age, Command S, it is showing age, and over here I'll write years, 13 years, 6 years, 12 years. Okay, and I'm going to write main axis alignment, to be start. This also should be at start. I'm going to hit Command S over here. Now I'm going to create a style over here. So style will be text style. Okay, and the text style font weight will be bold, font weight dot bold, color dot black, and font size I will make 20, Command S, 18 is fine. Okay, this is the font size, and in this I'm going to take a sized box with width of 20. So I will get a nice padding over here. 20 is too much, let me make it 10. Okay. Let me create style for this. So style will be text style, font size over here will be 14, font weight I need color, colors.gray, so let's go with black, and I'll go font style with font style dot italics. Okay, female, and I will copy the same style to over here. Command S. Okay, italics, and this is fine over here. And then now I'm going to give after this column I'm going to create image.asset over here, and I'm going to create an if else state. Okay, so we have to give the behavior of the students over here, or the behavior of the children over here. So what I will do is, let's start with here. We'll create an if else statement over here. So children data index, and it is behavior, the spelling, command C. I'll come over here. If behavior is equal to 1, then if it is 1, then I want it to be devil. Images slash dot png, or okay, or if this is 2, then I want images slash and naughty dash png, or images slash cool.png. Else also I want images slash angel.png. Why? Because all kids are angels. And now I'm going to hit play. Okay, they're going outside. So now let us come over here, and I'm going to give size. So height will be 100 and width will be 100. Command S. Okay, these are working. Let me make it 70. Command S. No, let me make it 50. Command S. Okay, fine. And I'm going to give a spacer here because I want this at the end. And after spacer, I'm going to wrap this with padding of 16 over here. Command S. So now Santa. Now I will know. So now everything is arranged nicely. So Santa Claus, as in I will come to know the name, male, female, its gender, years, and their behavior. So according to behavior only, I am going to give them their gifts, because as a Santa I have to take care. Now this is the application that I need, and I am going to
So now this is working over here. I am going to wrap this in safe area. Command S, done. This is wrapped in safe area. This application is working nicely. Okay. What I'll do is I will decrease its size of the name. But instead of 18, I'm going to keep this over here as 16. Command S. So this is a normal list view application. Okay, so now what we have to do is when I will click on this, then it should take me to Google Map. So I'm going to write here open map from Flutter map launcher. Okay, this is this plugin map launcher, maps launcher for Flutter. All it takes is map launcher dot launch coordinates. Okay, so I'm going to copy this over here. I'm going to see how the changelog is. Example, they have taken how the example is. Okay, on pressed map launcher dot launch coordinates. So I'm going to come to my pubspec.yaml file and I'm going to copy it over here. Pub.get. Let me come back to my home screen over here. Okay, and I'm going to wrap this row. Oh, sorry. I'm going to wrap this card in gesture detector over here, and then let us at the bottom create an on tap function. So gesture detector on tap. So this will be an anonymous function. Okay, so now let's get our latitude and longitude. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create I'm going to create a variable var lat is equal to double dot parse, and over here I'm going to take children's data index, and over here will be latitude dot to string. Our launch will be double dot parse children data index longitude dot to string, and after that maps launcher dot launch coordinates lat long. Okay, now let me pause and just hit play button again. Okay. Okay, so now let us check if we can see the name. Yeah, see, we can see the name, and then we can also get direction. So now it is easier for me to travel. Now what I'm going to do is I just want first name and last name. So command S, and I'm going to take this everything in under string interpolation. So and where will be last. So we all know where that person is, and I will hit on the map and it will take me over there. See, so I know where I have to go, and I can also turn on directions and everything. I can turn on directions, I know the address, and I can find where I have to go. So this is how we used a Santa application. That is, this is how we created the Santa application, and now this application is going to help me a lot in finding the children that I'm supposed to give gifts. These are the children, and I'm going to gift them each and everything, something that I have. But this is a Christmas. This is Christmas time. So please like and share this video. Subscribe to this boy's channel. He's doing very nice work. I am Santa. I'm telling you, gift something to Santa sometimes. I have been gifting you all. I have made your childhood special. Make this boy's childhood even special. Bye bye. Let me go. I think this boy is coming back. Let me go before he comes. Ho ho ho. Oh my god. What has happened over here? This mic? And the app is ready. How come? Who did this? Maybe Christmas just got real. I don't know what to say, but I hope everyone has understood how to create this application. Thank you guys. I don't know, but oh my god, it is more than expected. Someone has done a better job than me. How? All I can say is please like, subscribe to my channel. See you guys. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Enjoy your Christmas. Take care. Bye bye.